Today, I will be teaching you how to don and remove sterile gloves. Prior to donning sterile gloves, we must wash our hands thoroughly according to health standards. The location in which we set up our sterile field is important as well. We must make sure to set up the field above our waist level, otherwise it is considered contaminated. When doing a sterile procedure, the gloves we use will come in plastic wrapping. We are going to open our plastic wrapping, as I've done here, and take the packet of the gloves out. The outside of the packet is contaminated, so we may touch it freely. First, we are going to open the packet in half. Now, this is very important. The next step is to open the flap away from us carefully, only to touch the 1-inch border. The 1-inch border is considered to be contaminated. After opening the top flap, we will open the bottom flap and then open the right and left flap, making sure we only touch the 1-inch border around each of the flaps. Now we have our sterile field open, and remember that the 1-inch border around the paper is contaminated, so feel free to move that area and maneuver the field around. The sides of the paper should not be hanging off the table or surface. Do not touch the gloves. With our non-dominant hand, we will pinch the cuff of the dominant glove and carefully insert the hand into the glove, palm up, not touching the 1-inch border. The motion should be a scooping motion. Once the dominant glove is on, carefully scoop 4 fingers under the cuff of the non-dominant glove, making sure the thumb does not touch the contaminated cuff. You may also use your left hand to hold the 1-inch border so the paper does not slide around. Now, once your fingers are under the cuff, carefully insert your non-dominant hand into the glove and scoop upwards. Now you can adjust your gloves as needed, since both hands are sterile. And once you are done adjusting, you are ready to begin your procedure. To remove sterile gloves, pinch the non-dominant glove and pull it off while inverting it, keeping the contents of the glove inside. Hold the soiled glove in your dominant hand. Next, slide your ungloved fingers under the glove of the dominant hand and carefully remove it by inverting the glove, keeping all the contents inside as well. This method of removal keeps bodily fluids and other contaminants away from touching your skin. Finally, discard the soiled gloves in the appropriate receptacle and perform hand hygiene. Good luck!